Hello friends, my name is Amit Mishra, and in this video I'm going to share my reviews about SEMrush and how SEMrush can help you for your websites or your business, how you can use SEMrush. In-depth explanation I'm going to share you, so be with me for the entire video. You'll get to know about SEMrush, how you can use this tool for your business for maximizing your revenue and more traffic from Google. Guys, before proceeding into the video, I request you guys, if you are new to our channel and you are watching this video for the very first time, then hit the subscribe button and the like button. It motivates me for creating more genuine and informational videos for you guys. So guys, let's get into the video. Let me explain what is SEMrush first, then we'll explain the benefits and the features, or whether you should use this tool or not. Right? So guys, let's quickly talk about SEMrush. What SEMrush exactly is. So SEMrush is an online marketing tool which you can use for your SEO, local SEO, advertisement, social media, content marketing, competitive research. SEMrush has many extra tools like Marketplace, Impact Hero, Agency Partners, Amazon Tool, Prowly, Split Signal. These are extra tool made by SEMrush. So guys, let's quickly talk about some features of SEMrush, how SEMrush can help your business to grow and help your website to grow. Like you can see, SEMrush has 40 plus SEMrush tools and report to find best solution to your digital marketing challenges. You can sign up for free. If you're signing up for SEMrush from here, then you will get only 7 days trial. And if you use link in description to sign up for SEMrush, then you will get 14 days free trial, means 7 days extra you can get SEMrush to explore. Right? So guys, you can see how SEMrush can help you. If we talk about SEMrush can help you for keyword research, on-page SEO, competitor analysis, content marketing. Here you can also see some tools are also under these tools. In keyword research, you get 6 extra tools. On-page SEO, 3 extra tools. Let's quickly talk about what are the major features. Then it can help you in content marketing, local SEO, rank tracking, social media management, link building, which is best for SEO, competitor SEO analysis, content creation and distribution, content optimization. You can optimize your content using SEMrush. Content marketing analytics, you can see stats and other matrices using SEMrush. Market analysis, what's going in the market, like in any sector you are, you can use this tool. If you are a small business also or agency owner, you can use this tool for growth of your business. Paid advertising, if you are running PPC campaigns on Google, Facebook, you can always track your competitors' advertising strategies and copy that for your business. Competitor PR monitoring, you can also monitor PR activities of your competitors. PPC keyword research, website monetization. They've also mentions like monetize your audience with our powerful tool for bloggers, AdSense publishers, and affiliate managers. You can also monetize your content with SEMrush. Right? So guys, you can see how SEMrush can help you in different sectors, different categories. Now guys, let's quickly check how you can use this tool and how this tool can help you. Let's do some practical. Like in SEO stuff, you can monitor different things like competitive research, domain overview, traffic analysis, organic research, keyword gapping, backlink gapping. In keyword research, you can always check keyword overview, keyword magic tool, which is best if you want like more keywords to write about keyword manager. So let's quickly check with a website. So we'll try to check with Facebook. You guys know, if you just enter your domain name, I'm using Facebook for your reference, facebook.com I'm entering, and click on search. So once you click on search, it will show you the whole analytics of that website, like domain overview, authority, organic traffic, paid search. Like you can see, organic search, it's like 3.6 billion. This is monthly traffic, not yearly. This is monthly traffic. 3.6 billion, which is quite huge, right? Then you can see 84.7 billion backlinks Facebook has. Now guys, you can also check how much traffic they are getting organically and how much they are getting paid. If we click on organic, then worldwide they are getting 100% traffic, which is 3.6 billion, and they are ranking on 354.3 million keywords. Their major traffic they are getting from US, India, Brazil. Then you can see different countries, other they are getting 66% of traffic. Now you can also see data like on how many keywords are ranking in top 3, 4 to 10, 11 to 20th positions. You can see, right? So these are the metrics of Facebook. Now you can see what are the major keywords that are driving traffic to Facebook. This is very common, like Facebook is big brand. Now let's check some news websites. So I am checking the Washington Post. Okay, the Washington Post. I'll be copying the URL from here. So I just copy this URL and paste it in the SEMrush. I'll paste and click on search. So once I hit search, it will display the data from the website, how much organic traffic they are getting, how much paid traffic they are getting, how many backlinks they have made, how they're driving traffic, is it organic or paid. You can see from which country they are driving. US is the major country from where they're driving traffic. Organic keywords like in top 3, or how many organic traffic they are getting, paid traffic they are getting. Now we can compare like SERP features as well. If they are ranking in knowledge panel, local pack, top stories, image pack, and you can see also how many images they are ranking, what are the SERP benefits they are getting. You can also track on like top 3 keywords. If you just want to target your competitor top 3 keywords, you just uncheck others and see how many top 3 keywords they are ranking. They are ranking like 300,000 keywords. You can see more than 330,000, right? So you can check it out and just copy their strategies. And you can also check what are the organic keywords they are getting. You can click on view details to check more. Now you can see also, you can check competitors of your website. If you are just searching about your website data, you can also check what are the competitors ranking and who you are competing with, right? You can see competitive positioning map, where you are ranking and how your competitors are performing. Then you can also check brand traffic trends, like if your people are searching for your brand, it's going up or down, right? You can also check top paid keywords. If your competitors are using like paid keywords to rank for, you can also get data from here. Paid position distribution, you can also check it here. Who are the paid competitors, you can also check that as well, right? You can also check backlinks, like who is ranking for your website and how many links Washington Post has, what are the ratio between no follow and do follow. Like this site has 542 million follow links and 27.29 million no follow links. How many backlink types, text links, frame links, form links, image links, right? You can also check what are the anchor text for the links they are getting. So you can track many different metrics and how are the like sample ad, what are the ad your competitors are running. You can also check out, and if you click on view detail, you will get to know more about your competitors, right? Then let's talk about some keyword overview. If you click on keyword overview, and if you want to target low competitive keywords for your business, if suppose Washington Post is your competitor and you want to outrank Washington Post, which is nearly impossible if you are a new website. However, you can use you can also use this strategy for your competitors, right guys? Now I'm going to check some keywords, like low competitive keywords on which you can also try to rank for. You just have to click here top organic keywords and click on view details. Once you click on view details, it will redirect you to the organic research page from where you are from where that website is getting traffic. You will get more in-depth detail, more in-depth analytics for the same. Like if we consider US, from US it's getting 11.5 million organic traffic every single month, from Google, from Bing, or whatever search engines they are ranking for. So you can see these are the keywords. For these keywords they are ranking on position number 1. You can see, and difficulty is like near about 0, and you can see volume. If you guys want to find out some low competitive keywords, then what you have to do is you need to set filters for the same. Let's check for the positions of top 10 positions on how many, on which keywords Washington Post is ranking for top 10 positions. Guys, we have filtered top 10 positions of Washington Post and the result came up with 944k keywords. For 900,000 keywords it's ranking, and 26.1 million traffic they are driving from these keywords. Now if you check the keywords, like you can see Kim Jong Un death, it's getting more volume and traffic. 0.68% traffic they are getting from this single keyword. And democratic debate, they are getting major traffic from this keyword. And if you are doing AdSense, you can also consider checking CPC. That will help you to get more revenue from, more earnings from AdSense or any network you are using. So guys, this is how you can filter out more keywords from any website, any competitor website, and start writing or start creating content for your website. Right, you can also use different features like how many different search volumes you want, so they're also driving traffic from these keywords. You can also just click here and check out what are the landing page which is driving traffic. Even you can check stats related to single page as well. Like I have clicked over this Washington Post slash something URL, and you can see when this post has been published and how many traffic, how many organic keywords, on which keywords this single post is ranking, how many new position it got, how many positions they have lost, how many rankings they have improved for that particular, how many for that particular keyword. And you can also see some search features and benefits. So this SEMrush can help you to check out SEO analytics and data for your competitors. You can check different metrics like on which position changes of your competitor, who are the competitors exactly you are competing with. Like you can see it's been displaying like if Washington Post is my site and CNN.com, NPR.org, nytimes.com, newyorktimes.com is my competitor. So guys, you can also track different metrics. So guys, now let's talk about keyword thing, how you can find different keywords for your blog or article. So for that you have to just click here keyword magic tool. Guys, once you have clicked over keyword magic tool, then you can like search any keyword. For example, if I'm searching for make money online keyword, right, I want to target this, just click on search. It will show you different keywords on which you can create content and use that keyword in your articles to rank better in Google. Like you guys can see, there are many keywords. How to make money online, it has over 110,000 search volumes. Make money online, 74,000 search volume. Ways to make money online. You can also get keyword difficulty, trend, CPC, cost per click, like search features, other results. You can get more keyword ideas like how to make money online for beginners, best way to make money online, right? You can check it out. Long tail keywords as well, how to make money online without paying anything, right? You can see it's like 4,400 volume, and you can see keyword difficulty is pretty low, it's good. You can target these keywords. You guys can also use different filters based on your requirements. If you want like include best, for example, if you are using best, that best should be in the keyword, just type your keyword and click on apply. It will show you keywords that has best in their keywords. Now you can see the keywords which has best ways to make money online, best ways to make money in GTA 5 online, best way to make money GTA online. You guys can get different keyword ideas. If you, what you can do, if you want, like you can also export. Just click here and click here to export. If you can also download all keywords or selected keywords, just click here on XLS file or CSV file, CSV semicolon file, whatever file type you want, just click and download. You can use that keywords in your articles to rank better in search results. So guys, you can use different phrase match keywords as well. Like if you want more ideas, more keyword ideas, just click on phrase match, broad match, exact match, right? It will display different other keywords containing those keywords and more ideas. That will help you to get more keyword ideas to write content about and use these keywords in your blog article or website. Guys, after keyword overview, you can also track positions of your websites. You just need to add your website as a project in SEMrush, and you can start tracking your positions on how many on which position you are ranking, and if your ranking, like if your rankings are going up or your rankings are going down. So I was using for triotech.com recently. Even today for this video I have added Startup Crow. So let's see if we can see any data of Startup Crow. Now guys, you can see position tracking for startupcrow.com, and you can see how many keywords, top 3 we are ranking 23 keywords in top 3, in top 10 24, top 20 24, top 100 24. Actually I have added only 24 keywords, you can see here, to monitor, and we have more than 200 plus keywords which are ranking great in Google. And you can also see SERP benefits, how many keywords we are ranking for, feature snippet, how many reviews we are ranking for, and how many links we are ranking, site links, which you can see in Google search. You can see different blog articles and pages who are ranking good and ranking, like you can see positions 1 2 or 3, 17 keywords. You can also check cannibalization health. And what is now cannibalization health? Cannibalization means you are ranking for same keyword, your two articles are ranking, means you are competing, your same articles are competing for a particular keyword. If that is the case, then your SEO is not doing great, you are getting negative SEO score. So guys, you can also track these things. You can also check overview in overview tab for position tracking. You will get everything on simple dashboard, what is happening with your domain name. Even you can compare with different domain names and different positions. So guys, this is one of the best tool you can ever use for your whole SEO process. Like I was showing you for SEO thing, like you can also check backlinks, how many backlinks we are getting, and how you can also do backlink audit for you as well, or your client. If you running an agency or something, you can just type in your domain name. I'm typing Startup Crow. So let's quickly check it out, how many backlinks we got and what it is reflecting. You can see we have 24 authority, average authority which is 24, and referring domains we got 195 referring domains, and 757 backlinks. It's showing 4.4k monthly visitors. However, we are getting more than 30,000. I think it will update soon in SEMrush or any other tool as well. And we are ranking for approximately 2000 keywords. And you can see we are just 6 months, or like if we compare, I have started this website 6 or 7 months ago. Now you can see the stats and backlinks status, everything is doing great. And you can also check which category, from which category your site is linking. You can see business and industrial, we have 24 links, internet and telecom 15 links, computer electronics we have 11 links. And you can also check referring domains with respect to their authority. From like 90 to 100 we get one link, 81 to 93 links, and so on, 70 to 80, which is quite good. However, we have spent more time and efforts in doing SEO for this site, and it's it's doing great for us now. And link attributes, we have 128 follow links and 629 no follow links, which is quite good. And UGC means user generated comment, which is 25, right? You can see. So guys, you can also see TLDs, means top level domain distribution. You are getting link from .com, .in, PW, and you can see majority of links we are getting from .com, which is quite good, which is 42%. And top countries from where you are getting links, we are getting links from USA, United States of America, which is again quite impressive. You can see each and every data related to your website, your backlinks, your site audit. Now you guys can understand how helpful SEMrush is and how this SEMrush can help you gain more profit, more traffic, more revenue. Guys, you can also set different tracking sensors and ranks whenever a person is typing or writing your domain name and not linking to you. You will get trigger notification triggers. You can use that as well in SEMrush. So guys, in local SEO you are getting list management. List management is a simple solution for local SEO. Make your website business visible, monitor reviews. So guys, you can just only type in or search your business name. You can also track how this tool can help you make better, like you can see distribute business information. You can simply if you are not on like Facebook, Google or anywhere else, it can help you build a local SEO strong website. You can build a strong local SEO. You can suppress duplicates. You can track local rankings on how many, if you are ranking on Google Maps as well, organize GMB and Facebook listings. So this is one of the great tool which are providing you manage reviews and user suggestions, overview location in one place. Amazing. So guys, you can see different benefits this tool is providing you. You can also in local listing you can also track your positions. However, I'm not doing local SEO currently for my any businesses. However, if you are trying to do, or if you are a business, you can definitely use their local SEO tool, which is quite impressive. Now guys, quickly check out their advertising part. In advertising, you can also go and check out your competitors advertising strategies, what they are using, on which platform they are running ads. You just simply have to type your keywords. For example, if ebay.com was my competitor, so just simply type your competitor's name and it will show you everything related to advertising and PPC, paid search, which I have already shown you. So they have given you separate block where you can check out whole advertising strategy of your competitors, and you can just replicate it and drive more traffic to your website with ads. Let's check out their social media toolkit. So you can see in social media toolkit you can also set up different things like manage profiles. You can also create ad campaigns here and save money on inefficient ads with the new advertising tool. You can see you can try on Facebook ad, Twitter ad, Instagram, LinkedIn, YouTube, Pinterest. You just have to click here on create ad and it will do the rest for you guys. Let me quickly show you how this can help you in setting up some different social media ads. You can just create and manage ad campaigns from here only. You can see your low performing ads and optimize them. You can optimize them, save time on little things, auto naming and streamline creation and more. You can do many different things with their advertising and social media toolkit. So you can also research topics if you want to write about or you want to create any video or thing. However, this will help you better about your topic. This can help you brainstorming more. For example, I want to write about how to prevent hair loss, hair fall. If this is my keyword and I want to rank in United States, just get content, click on get content idea. It will show you different keywords which you can use on your blog or whatever website you are using. You can also use this tool to write product descriptions if you are running any Shopify store or any online store. So it's collecting data for discovered subtopics. Now guys, you can see the result. I have used this keyword how to prevent hair fall. This is displaying different topics on which I can write about. For example, hair regrowth. I want to use this topic and you can see different headlines. It's showing you 10 tips to naturally regrow your hair. And if I'm using this, add to your favorite, it will be added in your favorite list. Losing hair, eat these 9 foods to prevent hair oil. You can also click here and check out what it is showing you. It's This data has been came from ndtv.com, which is India's news website, right? So guys, this is very helpful tool which you can use to curate good content, and you can also use like different explorer they have given, mind map they have given. You can if you want any, like this is some subtopics and content ideas, you can just click here and check out their blog post and read it and try to create more content, more quality content for your website. This will help you. For example, if this is for topic research only, if you want to writing assistant, if you want any writing assistance, then this can also help you in improving your writing and making your content more valuable and quality, right? You can use this tool to write your content as well. For example, again I'm writing hair loss tips. See, it will show you how your content is. It's poor, however I'm just trying to write to something, and you can see different metrics: readability score, SEO score, tone of voice, originality. If I'll move this, you can see different other benefits, right? So guys, you can use this SEO writing assistant as well if you want to improve your content quality. You can also use brand monitoring tool, track and analyze your brand. You just have to check. If I'll click here, it is showing like searching for no words. In USA, no one has used this Triotech anywhere, like in from like 2 years. So guys, SEMrush has multiple other lead generation like content marketing, content research tools. You can also check client manager, which is newly they have added. And let me tell you, this is not sponsored video. I'm using SEMrush for my business, and that's why I'm recommending you to use this tool to improve your stats, improve your revenue, improve your traffic. So guys, this tool they have given, which is client manager, no more I have forgotten the name of my spreadsheet. You can just pitch, monitor, analyze and report. You can track your entire client history, pitch status, how they have responded. You can also monitor, analyze, report. This is again cool feature which you can use. Just type in your company name, contact person, email and add client, right? So guys, this tool may be quite impressive if you are using it for your business. If you are an agency, small media agency, you can still use this tool. Let's quickly show you one other feature, which is lead generation tool. You can see this is lead generation tool, and you can start generating leads as well. Drum up more leads from your agency's site and increase conversion with site audit widgets. So how it works, you can just add your widget on your site. Your potential clients will start auditing their website for free, and voila, you'll get new straight leads in your inbox instantly. You can also use this tool for your agency website. So guys, all in all, I have shared like many different benefits of SEMrush, and you can also try their extra tools, which is Marketplace, Impact Hero, Agency Partners, Amazon Tools, Prowly, Split Signals. You can also use these tools for your business. Now guys, let's quickly see the pricing of this tool, how much this tool costs you. They have three plans, which is Pro, Guru and Business. In Pro plan, you are getting $119.95 per month, which is my current plan. You can see your current subscription plan is like I'm paying $119 per month to SEMrush for my business, and literally this tool is helping me out. Like I was not expected that much from this tool. However, it is one of the best tool I have ever used. For Guru plan, you will be costing $229.95 per month, and business plan, which is again $449.95 per month. If you are an agency, e-commerce project and businesses, then you can opt for this plan. If you talk about Guru plan, Guru plan comes with like some pro features, which is who can use, like for SMB, small medium business and growing marketing agencies can use this Guru plan, and you can see the features: content marketing platform, historical, extended limits and Google Data Studio integration, which are another benefits they are providing you. If we talk about Pro plan, which I am currently using, you can see your current subscription plan, which you can use for if you are a freelancer, startup, or in-house marketer with limited budget. Run your SEO, PPC, and SEM projects with 40 plus advanced tools, know your competitors' traffic source, ranking, social media results, and more. Ready? Read only, sharing access. You can use different. If you are like big company, you can anyways contact them for custom solutions. This is very flexible. So guys, you can compare different plans with like FAQs as well. However, if you are going for like annually plan, then it will cost you around like $99.95 per month, which is like 16%. You can save 16% on your annual plans. Now guys, if you want to use this tool as a trial, then you can anyways go to semrush.com and sign up for 7 days free trial. However, if you want 14 days trial, 7 days extra, then you can check out link in description. You can click on the link and go and sign up. I have partnered with SEMrush and they are providing you 14 days free trial. You can use this tool for your business, for yourself, for your website. If you find this tool helpful for 14 days, then you can anyways upgrade your subscription, or you can go into paid subscription. So guys, I have provided link in description. Go and check out this tool. If you ask me out of 10 how much I am rating this tool, so I am rating this tool 8 out of 10, because I'm using this tool for like more than 2 years now, and I'm really very happy and I'm super amazed with their features and benefits they are providing. So guys, that's all for this video, and I hope you like this video. If you like this video, just you can hit the like button, and if you are new to our channel, then hit the subscribe button, and you can watch other videos on our channel as well. And if you have any questions related to SEMrush or blogging, digital marketing, or business, you can simply type your comment in comment section, and I'll be more than happy to reply to your comments. So guys, that's all for this video. I'll meet you in the next one. Till then, take care and bye bye.